Please be silent. Welcome you, Your Honorable Dr. James Karanja Nyoro, to take your position and take oath of office for the office of County Governor. You'll be taking the oath as read through the oath.
I, James Karanja Nyoro, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Kiambu County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall do justice to all. So help me God. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Silence. I wish he has taken the oath, but until he signs this document, it's not done. I call upon you, Your Excellency, to come and sit down here and sign the oath of office.